Hey guys, it's Kristen. I am here to do an unboxing. I have been waiting for this to come, and it came in such a pretty box. And I wanted to do this video yesterday, but I didn't get a chance to do it. So anyway, I've already unsealed it. I have not looked in this. I've been waiting to do this with you. So this is for the Planner Society, which is a subscription for people who like planners. And I'm already, the reason why I started it really was not because I'm a planner person. I am a planner person, but it's because I was watching unboxing videos of others, and I thought, oh my god, a lot of this stuff could also be used for journal making as well. So I wanted to try it and see. So this bag right off the bat, definitely not throwing that out. So, okay, here we go, guys. I have no idea what's in here, but I'm very excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, and that's so cool. Okay, cool. So, guys, I guess the outside of the box and all of that stuff matches with the theme of what is actually inside. Okay. I'm very excited, so forgive me for my speech is not correct, but I'm so excited about this. So right off the bat, we've got this cute chick stamp. She's cute. I like that. It's a clear acrylic stamp. I don't want to take everything out of the bags because it's really noisy, and I just don't want to do that. So I'm just going to show you kind of what's in here. There's a bunch of die cuts in here and journaling cards. These are like journaling cards. So if you guys want like a detailed thing, let me know, but I just want to do a basic kind of unboxing. So we've got die cuts and some journaling cards, and then it looks like we have this super cute little perfume bottle paper clip that can be used in a planner. And then I believe this is sticky notes, and it's a diamond shaped. So, and then, oh, this is awesome. So I know, guys, you probably can't really see, but there's okay, so there's the washi. I hope you can see that with the sun. I wanted to get this video done before the sun came out, but clearly that didn't happen. Okay, so this is a separate bag, and look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for this. So let's see what's inside the bag. I'm so cheesy. I am like the cheesiest person ever. Okay. Oh, these are stickers. These are super cute. Little decorative stickers. Look at those. Adorable. I love them. And then, let's see. Looks like this is, I don't know what this is. So I might have to open some of it because I don't know what it all is. It's my first box unboxing for the Planner Society. So I'm beyond excited about it. But I love everything so far. Especially my new pen. It's so gonna be so pretty. Okay, now I'm not quite sure. These look like these. So these look like stickers of some. Yes, these are like stickers. How cute are those for, like, are these pockets? I'm not even sure. Yes, this is like a little pocket. Oh, how fun. Okay. So this is like a little sticker pocket. How fun is that? Oh, these are all pockets. Oh my gosh. So the Planner Society does these, and it's a lot of it is like bullet planning, or like the binder ones that you kind of can create yourself. But these are awesome. Okay, if I can just get it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's like this kind of cool. Wow, that is so fun. Oh my gosh, look at that. So these are pockets. Again, I love this design. It's so pretty in this marbled pocket. And then in this, these are like tabs that you can put in your planners or your journals. And then what is this? Oh, this is like a cover. So that's cool. Oh my god, really? Seriously? It's a cover that's got like picture thingies in it. Oh my gosh. I don't really want to open this, but that's what that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, and then this beautiful pen with like this glitter, and it's rose gold, and hello is what I'm saying. And then this is the papers that come with it, which I will open that because that's got assorted papers. So this is another reason why I wanted this, was because these are different papers that you can use like in journaling. Oh my gosh, I have like, my ideas are spinning. I know this is for planning stuff, but seriously guys, I'm totally gonna make a journal from this kit. So the subscription box is every other month. It's like, this is the January box, but you get it in February. It's kind of weird how they do it, but I don't really care how they do it. I love it. I love it. I do not regret this. And I will link the Planner Society website below if you're interested. Just so you know, this was sent, I purchased this. This was not sent to me. I purchased this with my own money, and they don't know that I'm filming this video. I don't have, they never sent me like a code where I would get like money, you know, back. Like, so this is just me doing this on my own. So we've got, I think it's 2 sheets of cardstock, and look at this cardstock. And I think it's just, oh my god guys, it's double-sided. And can you see? It's like foiled. Oh my god. Seriously? I can't right now, you guys. Okay, so this is the second sheet. Oh my god. Look at that. Can you see that in the sun? I know the shadow is terrible, but look at that marbling. Like, that's just gorgeous. Okay, so that's that one. I know you get, yes, you get some vellum paper too, which this one is a vellum paper. And, oh my god. All right. Then you get, oh, you get some acetate. That's also got the design on it. I hope you guys can see that. With the sun shining on it, I think you can. So that's acetate. Oh my gosh. Seriously guys, this is amazing. And then this is one side, and then this is the other side. I love this. I'm so glad I got it. And that's the other sheet. So there it is, you guys. That is my unboxing for the Planner Society, and it is their it's bi-monthly kit, and it is the full kit that I got. They have smaller packages, but I wanted everything. So, and I'm so glad I did, because I can't wait to like dip into this and play with this. I have so many ideas. Like even this is just the background paper that held those pockets. That can be used for something. I mean, oh my gosh, guys. Yes, my excitement, man, it's totally there. I'm so excited about this. I do want to try putting, well, I'll put these back, not on camera. Let's be real. But I just wanted to show you guys that. And yes, it's called Scarlet Lime. I think this is the name of the kit, Scarlet Lime. And it is gorgeous. So, all right, guys, that's my unboxing for the Planner Society. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.